Okay, so we just came to the open house that Kelsey wants to see. I'm actually kind of excited. I like touring houses. Knock, knock. And it's a open door house. Ooh, this is pretty. I like the...
You might have to unlock it to close it.
Unlock what?
Like the yeah.
Okay.
The garage is in there. Here's the kitchen. It's actually, I like it. I actually really like it.
Yeah, it is really pretty. Turn on the lights. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Look at the lights under the...
Yeah, that's nice. Decent sized pantry.
Oh yeah, I wish my pantry was that big. It looks like that, but yet it's like not that big. Don't touch anything, baby. This is really pretty. This is such a cute idea. Like a little vase. I love this kitchen.
Yeah, it's really nice. I love it in the photos, but I
yeah,
really
that's why you have to see it in person.
Windows,
Yeah, I wish my kitchen had like a window looking out. I would like. I'd probably do dishes more.
This is a nice fridge. I wonder if it goes.
Is there snacks in there?
No snacks. That's nice.
Yeah, that would be so helpful because she always gets into our fridge. Good job, baby. This is a nice fridge. Cold saver. I think that's probably your drinks.
That's so cute.
Yeah, that is cute. You get.
But this looks like it's for drinks. Like it's
Oh,
like
that's cool.
Yeah.
That'd be great for snacks for the kids.
And this for like a whole cake.
I was thinking more like cheese and like meats. Because I have one like that, and I use it for all our cheeses and like ham and stuff. You ready to eat? We should just brought a Chick-fil-A here.
She put the fries. They're on the table. Yeah, we like have our meal here.
The challenge, we go to open houses and have dinners. This is a nice like living space. It's big.
Nicely decorated. I think that helps.
I can help you decorate. This isn't horrible.
Yeah, there's no grass. But there you could have plants in pots. Like you could have
Yeah.
flower bed, and there's a lot of space. Like
You can get like a nice patio table.
but the good news is you don't have to ever mow the lawn.
That is
Yes.
true. I mow the lawn all the time and it sucks.
Oh really? Yeah. I mean, I actually kind of like using a weed whacker. Like it's good exercise. It's good stress relief. Come on, Kiara.
Kiara. I like how open it is though. It feels very nice.
Really like
Big.
oh. Come on, Kiara.
I have a feeling that if we ever look for a new house, she's gonna get so excited. Did you ever do that like with your dad when he was looking for houses? Like we got so excited.
Like, I love it.
These stairs are really nice
This
too.
is a bonus room. This is like an office.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Which is nice.
Yeah, it's
I
cool.
love it.
Yeah. Or a playroom. Wink, wink.
Wash my room.
Playroom. Wink, wink. Oh, cool. Linen closet. Most likely maybe like. What is this? Like laundry? Ooh. Do they come with the house?
The bedrooms are upstairs. I don't like when the laundry's on a different floor in the bedrooms.
You know, that's more common now though with the like the nice. Ooh. Oh, yeah, halfway.
Kiara, let's go upstairs. Come on. Upstairs. But I think all of it.
Oh, I like this linen closet. It's very nice with the French doors. Ooh.
See, that could have been a laundry room. That could have been a laundry room.
You could always convert it if you want to, but that'd probably be really hard.
But it's supposed to be 3 bedroom, 3 bath.
I love this.
Yeah, I like this, like...
You want this to be your room? We'll move to Dallas. How about that? We found our house.
That's
I'll be like,
interesting.
oh,
Oh, it's 2
whoa.
doors in the closet.
Oh,
I was like, what's happening?
this is like, hello.
Yeah. I guess you keep your suitcases back there.
I guess.
Stuff you want to hide.
This is kind of weird though. You know, having kids, like I hate having hardwood floors upstairs.
Oh,
I wish I had carpet.
Half bath as a full bath. Because I'm like, I think it's supposed to be 3 bedroom, 3 bath. But there's definitely only 2 bathrooms up here.
Oh, it's like a, yeah.
That's like the hallway.
So is that the, oh, this is the master. Okay. This will be Kiara's room when she comes to visit. Comes to
But I
visit.
like the like shapes of the room. Like you could like put a bookshelf over
I just
here.
love all the windows. Like I'm a window person.
I like that the rooms are like not just square.
Yeah. Like you could put like a little
Like
desk
case or
here,
desk.
like
Yeah, that would be
an
really
yeah. I'll help you decorate. I'm pretty good at decorating from what I've been told.
Hallway. Oh, look, there's the. You can go up to the attic.
Yeah. You could put like a bookcase or something here.
This is beautiful.
I love the ceilings. That is a huge bed.
Oh, look at this closet.
I'm not a big fan of like the tile.
But,
But-
no, I don't love the tile. But
Yeah,
it's
this is
fine.
cute.
Like, it's not terrible. Here's poop closet.
Poop closet?
This is
Oh, the toilet.
closet.
Hi. Ooh, this is huge. Oh, girl.
Oh, this is the whole bedroom. Oh my god.
Right?
Love it.
This is like the size of Kiara's bedroom. Ooh, that's a shoe rack for sure.
Yeah. Nice.
This is cute.
Love it.
Alright, we'll just live in here. They don't have to
Love
know.
it. This is where we keep our guests.
Layla. We're eating apples.
Layla.
Eating apples.
You want to
Alright,
eat
let's go.
apples?
Yeah.
Are those real apples?
Yeah. Bowls, there's apples.
If we take one, will they say something?
I don't think they're real apples.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
But I like that there's like an office. Like, it's good. It's a good amount of space. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, sorry, my arm was hurting.
Did you explain to the people that we let
Yes.
ourselves into this house?
Yes.
Okay.
But what's the app called again?
Red. Well, this one is just Redfin, so I don't know. Like, I started to text it, but then it just opened.
Oh.
I don't have an app.
Okay.
I don't know what
Maybe-
happened exactly.
maybe-
I didn't send the text.
Oh,
I
weird.
just typed in their phone number, and then it opened.
Mm.
Yeah, go put that back.
That's kind of cool though.
Yeah, but normally I use like Open Door, but this one is Redfin.
Okay. Well, there you go. I've never done this
Usually they're not
before.
furnished, but this one.
Yeah, I'm surprised. I'm like, how does...
Yeah, let's go.
Because honestly, I don't see cameras anywhere, so how is this secure?
Usually they're by the door, but I don't know. Do you want to see the garage?
Yeah, let's see the garage. This is cute. Ooh, Kiara, take it easy. Take it easy. She's too excited. Oh, this is... Oh, yeah. Put your bad kids in there. Go with the hole.
Kiara agrees.
Yeah, it's nice. Honestly, with having kids, I'm not a huge fan of like the backyard because it's very limited.
Yeah,
but,
like, there's
'cause,
nowhere for
like
them
we
to
have
play
a
out.
huge backyard, and I like
Do they
that.
like to play? Does Kiara like to play?
Yeah, she
Does
does.
Layla like to play in the yard?
Not yet, but someday we'll like to play in the yard, right?
Kiara.
The ceiling is super high. I love how high the ceiling is.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay, I think. Yeah. They're dimmable.
Have a party here.
There we go. That's cool. Cats and dogs. Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
That's cool. I like dimmable lights. But how would you change this? It's so high.
Yeah, it is really high. I hope they last a long time with their LED lights.
Right? Hi! Okay.
Tell her what we're gonna do.
What are we doing? Say.
I forgot the play.
Well, we are going to my brother's apartment, but we came to Trader Joe's to get some stuff because we are going to grill. Well, he's gonna grill. He's gonna make us food.
We have hot dog buns.
This is a nice.
Trader Joe's.
Yeah.
Layla's sleeping. Party animal.
This is probably the most vlog content I've ever gotten because I don't go out. And it's nice to go out with my friend. I don't have many friends in Houston. That's why I want to.
leave the house.
Yeah. I think they know that. Alright, let's
Show
go
them the
inside.
plant.
Yeah. They're cute. Those are cute. There you go. You got a sticker. Good job.
Here, you want it?
Wow. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, there's stuff right here. Where are you going to put your sticker?
We'll take one, yeah. Right? Is that okay? Should you have a lollipop?
What?
A lollipop?
Yeah, I guess.
Say hi, MTV.
Hi, TV.
Oh, hi, MTV. I'm Kiara. Say, I'm Kiara.
Hi, Kiara.
Say, this is my crib.
Hi, crib.
Okay.
Hi, Auntie. Welcome to my crib. Come on in. This is my Albert Einstein painting. Cost me millions of dollars.
Look at it. Okay.
Let's go right over here so you can meet my personal chef. This is my very expensive kitchen. This is my chef. His name is Jeff. He's from Argentina.
What? That's French accent.
Oh, that was French? What is that French? Alright, now let me show you out the balcony to my $1 million view. Come right over here. It's a little scary, but don't worry, it's worth it. So you'll see the pool right down there. It's amazing. And then the best part is the view of the Dallas skyline. Alright, here we go. I live a very minimalistic life style, as you can see. My baby sleeps in there too. In my closet. I have a very manly wardrobe. I like shirts. I mainly go to Zara.
It was like, this one's mine.
Yeah, let's go show them our restroom. This is what I used to shave. Pretty much is MTV. Now you gotta get the heck out of here.
Sorry.
You can go through here. Oh, but on a real note, we're actually in my brother's apartment. We just wanted to be funny. This is my brother, Paco, aka, well, his name is Nor, but we call him Paco because his yeah, this is Jim.
Yes. I'm a help you.
Anyways, so yeah, we're just prepping some food and we're gonna go downstairs to the pool. This apartment is crazy awesome. I will show you guys a tour of the downstairs. It's pretty awesome, not gonna lie.
Look how cute you look. You got matching bathing suits. I'm a widow chunk.
I'm a model.
What? Yeah. You got the tortillas? Look guys, it's only like 3 adults and 2 children. We got all this food that my brother prepared for us. He's the best.
Kiara doesn't even eat.
She eats like a bird, really. I don't know, she might eat a lot though, because she might be hungry. Kiara, you ready to go swim?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, let's go. So obviously these apartments look like a hotel. I feel like I'm walking through a hotel lobby.
This way.
Yeah, they're usually not. They didn't have the bracelet before. So I guess they like brought a lot of people from outside to wear it. So
Yeah.
they started enforcing like.
You ready? Let's go. Go ahead.
One is the lobby.
Just right here. Sit. Good
job.
We're in the elevator. In the elevator.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Look at this beautiful pool. And nobody's here, which is great. Get it? Hold on, baby. Yeah. This is so nice.
I love those chairs.
I know. How did those not get ruined out here? Is there fabric?
Maybe they have
Yeah, they're pretty thick. Are you gonna go jump with Kelsey?
You wanna go?
No.
Oh, that's so
No?
cute. Alright, go.
Let's go.
Jump.
It's gonna be blurred by my pasty whiteness.
Oh no, you're fine. It's kind of dark, so all you see is the pool. Go jump. Layla's so mesmerized by the lights. she just looks like a little fish. A little fish. And my chef, Mr. Jeff, gonna make us some chicken. Do you need help with anything?
Bottom first.
No problem, yeah. Just say it, if you ever score my brother, he's a good guy. He cooks. Get you a man who can cook, because my husband don't cook. And it would make my life so much easier if I had a man who could cook.
I appreciate the shout out.
Yeah. Well, you deserve somebody very, very, very well for your life. Well, just somebody that will make you happy.
Oh, I don't know about that. That's a tall,
What do you
tall
want in life? Happiness, no?
Isn't that relative to what you think happiness is?
Oh, look at this. Ooh.
Vlogging right now?
Yeah. Kelsey told me to vlog the whole weekend, so that's what we did.